equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The HDMI issue with your PS5 can manifest as a blank screen or flickering visuals. This often occurs due to a faulty HDMI port or cable. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making your console unusable. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement HDMI port. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is powered off and unplugged. Carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the casing, taking care not to damage the clips. Once open, locate the HDMI port on the motherboard. It's usually situated near the back of the console. Gently disconnect any cables attached to the port, ensuring you remember their positions. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw securing the HDMI port. Carefully lift the port out, being cautious of any nearby components. Replace it with a new HDMI port, securing it with screws and reconnecting the cables. As you reassemble the device, ensure all clips are aligned and press gently to snap the casing back together. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, avoid pulling on the HDMI cable when disconnecting it and ensure your console is in a stable position. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.